Hi, and a very warm welcome to day 22. My name is Gaia, and we are doing a 30-day evening yin yoga challenge where we practice yin yoga for 30 consecutive days for maximum benefit to relax in the evening and just give our bodies some really good love. Now, if you have just stumbled upon this video and want to do it on its own, that is perfectly fine. You can just do this practice. However, if you want to join us for the full 30 days, I will link everything down below. Today we are starting lying down on our stomachs in Sphinx pose. So make your way onto your stomach. Keep your ankles around hip distance apart. The elbows are under the shoulders. And see if you can press down through the tops of your feet, through the palms, through the forearms, shining your chest forward, and even sending your pubic bone down towards the mat. So no compression happening in the low back. We are a bit more actively engaging in this pose, creating some length through our entire body. Just focus on your breath here, and I will guide you back out when it's time. Very slowly reverse out of the pose. Coming into kneeling for a moment. And then come on to all fours, so tabletop position to prepare for thread the needle. Knees are under your hips, wrists under the shoulders. Walk your left arm just slightly out in front of you, and then thread the right underneath the left, bringing the side of your head to the mat. Recenter your hips if they got carried off to the side a little bit, and extend the left arm long. Just allow yourself to settle into this beautiful twist. Deepen your breath. Walk the left hand in first. Press yourself up, back into tabletop. Take a breath here. And now walk the right hand just slightly in front of the left. Thread the left underneath the right, bringing the left side of your head down to the mat. And extending the right arm long. Recenter your hips if perhaps they got carried away a bit to the right. And again, allow yourself to settle, breathe, and enjoy. Begin to deepen your breath. Slowly bring the right hand in and press yourself up. Coming into tabletop, again staying here for a breath or so. Nice centered spine. And when you're ready, make your way into Savasana. Extend your legs long and let the feet flop to the side. Bring your arms down by your side with the palms facing up. Lengthen the back of your neck. Lower your shoulders. And allow yourself a few more minutes of integration and peace. Gently begin to return your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And take a nice deep stretch if that feels good. And when you're ready, roll onto one side first. Before using your arms to press yourself back up into a seat. Take any seated position that feels best to you right now. Place your palms together at the heart in Anjali Mudra and close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, just tap into the day that you've had. Allow it to unfold within you and ask yourself the question, what is it that you can be proud of today? What is it that you can perhaps celebrate or appreciate or be grateful for? And notice what comes up. And as you breathe deep down into your belly for a few more breaths, just connect deeper with that thing. Allow those emotions to infuse every cell of your body with each breath that you take. I want to thank you so much for practicing with me tonight, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.